everyone, welcome back to my channel Bashu. Second innings. Today we will talk about fall injuries, or we call it slip, skid and fall. Why this slip, skid and fall is so important? Suppose a person is falling even at the level of the ground floor. Where he will fall and which part of the body will go and hit which part of the ground. If it is a factory, he will have lot of steel parts and other hard parts. Suppose the man fall on his head, he will get an head injury. Sometimes the injury will be with the backbones, sometimes hand or leg, and sometimes no injury at all with few scratches, everything. So this preventing falls or slips and skid is very important. Let us see. Slip is skid and fall. If we take slip, anyone can slip if the floor is, if a man is walking and if the floor is wet or having some oil or the coolant, or even on the road if you see that if somebody put the banana skin, people used to slip. So that slip, wherever it occurs, we have to identify where the slips will occur. And in normal condition, one should have a discipline inside the factory and outside also. So first of all, there should be no leakage of water, oil or any other liquid. So there should not be leakage and no overflow. Of tanks. Number 3 is that you should provide a board, signboard, that the floor is wet. Number 4, use anti-skid tiles. Anti-skid tiles where permanent water or liquid is present on floor. Mark gangways for man movement to avoid hitting and fall by moving machinery. Use shoes, safety shoes with use safety shoes with grip soles, grip sole. Okay. Then next we will see about skid. Skid. So skid here, what I mean is that skidding of the vehicle. Vehicle means we are transporting some material with hand cart, and that hand cart provision should be given that the hand cart should be moved properly. For example, if there is a ramp, there is a platform here and there is a ramp, this is the floor. This angle should be 15 degrees, and that this height and this length, if this is 1, this should be 6 times, 6.6 times, means it will become 15 degrees. If you provide the ramp, the manual transporting of material from this ground using a ramp to this platform will give a good effort, easy effort to pull, and maybe people may not fall down. But if the ramp is made to cut short and the slope is more than 15 degrees, then there is always a possibility of, and there will be an accident for sure. There will be an accident that when they pull, they are unable to pull the cart, and the man behind will get hit by that and may fall. Such accidents are happening. In the same way, this is for hand carts. The above should be used for the for forklifts. Also, the above is recommended. The above or line surface is recommended. So when people are new and you had given a ramp more than 15 degrees, there are chances that either hand carts or the forklifts may also turn down, and the people who are walking nearby may be kicked off by that, and they may fall down. That will cause injuries. 9. While climbing up stairs. While using stairs, both climbing up, climbing down, use rails as a support. This is support. This is applicable for all ages, irrespective is young or old. So this will also prevent people from falling. Number 10 is the fall from height. This may be ladders, working on roof, etc. So, and above all, do not use phone while walking. So these are all the 11 points, and here fall from height of ladders and working on roofs. These ladders we have to select properly, because if you have the welded ladders, the welding might go away, so you have to avoid using the welded ladders. And also the ladders made from nailing the wooden pieces one above the other, because such kind of ladders always there is a possibility of falling from the height. This happens mostly with the contract workmen working for whitewash or doing some welding works on the truss, etc. Working on roofs should follow, people should follow proper instructions like using roof ladders and full safety belt. Some people use only the half safety belt, and working on ladder, the moment he slips, that safety belt will not work, he will come out of the safety belt. Such things will be very, very dangerous. 12. No walking on the false ceiling. This is again a dangerous. Here the training is very, very important, especially to the contract workers who comes, who doesn't know, who cannot make out false ceiling and the roof. People have fallen down from false ceiling and had serious injuries and means fatal injuries also sometimes. So all these things regarding all these 12 points, I can say that one have to follow, so that we can reduce this fall. And once again I want to emphasize that while this, so do not take lightly falling down, because it matters where you fall down. So the moment you fall down on a rigid steel part or any other stones or something like that, the injury is going to be dangerous. So take care, have a safe life. Thank you very much. Till my next video, I'll say bye-bye, goodbye. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, like, share, and like and subscribe. Also, you can pass it on to your friends and family members. Thank you very much.